Hello, this is Rikka, an electric workshop and electric sequence learning guide. Configure the Arduino PLC and check whether the time chart works in real time. Today's lesson is to understand the easy PLC-related time chart configuration and requirements, and check the operation. Take a look at the time chart configuration given on the screen. First, check the contents required by the time chart. It should operate when the first SSA on and SSB off. Second, when the push button PBA is pressed and released. The action of pattern A must be repeated in the given order. Third, when the push button PBB is pressed and released, the B pattern operation must be repeated in the given order. The fourth operation configuration for each pattern is as follows. When each pattern is first started, the entire lamp repeats on, off for 1 second once, and after that, each lamp turns on for 1 second and off for 1 second according to the time chart configuration. And at the next start of each pattern, the entire lamp repeats 1 second on, off twice. And then repeats 2 seconds on and 2 seconds off according to each time chart configuration. Finally, at the north start of each pattern, the entire lamp repeats 1 second on, off n times. And then repeats n seconds on and n seconds off according to each time chart configuration. When the fifth pattern is in operation, the operation stops when the push button PBC is pressed. And when the push button PBC is pressed and released during the B pattern operation, the operation should be stopped. Lastly, the sixth is push button PBA. And PBB is a mutual priority input interlock relationship. Now, let's see if it works like the time chart shown on the screen by connecting the Arduino PLC. If you understand the time chart, you can easily understand the operation configuration of each lamp. Start the motion test. World of Rikka. Thanks for watching. Please refer to learning. Subscribe check.